Namaste. My name is Rui Zimmer. I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak about food that reactivates our stem cells. The stem cells is a trend for 40, 50 years and so on, but it's just an indicator how healthy we are. The role of the stem cells in the body. The versatile stem cell serves as a body's internal repair and regeneration system, orchestrating a symphony of healing processes that keep us functioning optimally. Imagine a team of construction workers rebuilding a damaged structure. Stem cells play this exact role in our bodies. What harms our stem cells? Drinking too much alcohol, smoking, and in general all kinds of drugs. Diabetes or high blood sugar. So, lifestyle factors. Have an active lifestyle and work out often. Regularly physical activity promotes the release of growth factors that activate stem cells, contributing to tissue repair and regeneration. Makes sense, no? Sleep and stress management. Adequate sleep and stress reduction technique are essential for maintaining optimal stem cells function. High stress levels and sleep deprivation can hinder stem cell activities. Okay, nothing new. No? Gut-brain connection. A healthy gut microbiome is closely linked to stem cell health. Consuming fermented vegetables or fruits. Yeah, you can also ferment fruits. It's delicious. And so easy. It's the same like fermented vegetables. Then you put more brown sugar inside, and it's really so tasty. No? Probiotics and prebiotics. That is xylitol, for instance. That if you consume this, then it will activate the microbiome. Can help maintain a balanced gut and positively impacting stem cells. Balancing stem cell production. Achieving a well-rounded diet and lifestyle that includes these stem cell friendly factors can promote a healthier stem cell population with your body. Foods to avoid. Processed foods. All kinds of processed food. Excessive sugar, trans fats can harm stem cells and impair their functionality. All, I say all vegetable oils, including this over-holy virgin olive oil, because they produce the most toxic aldehyde in the body from its unsaturated fatty acid, and are worse for our digestion and good for getting dementia. All unsaturated fatty acids want to connect. And in the body they find it and connect to aldehyde. And would you eat aldehydes? For sure not. But this aldehyde is so dangerous, it promotes that our energy level in our cells are not working anymore. The over-holy virgin olive oil is healthy. No, it's never never was healthy because it is processed food. Okay. All kinds of fish, meat, and poultry because they make the body acid. What the body makes in acid is harmful for our body. Destroys a healthy gut microbiome. A meat eater from the animals have 4 or 5 meters of gut. We have 12 meters. And then this meat is rotting in our guts and making harmful organisms in our guts. Oh, okay. Because it makes the body acid, destroys the healthy gut microbiome and are toxic. The animals that the people eat most consumed fish are farm fish, toxic food, drugs and antibiotics. The antibiotics we don't want in our body. And so the dose of antibiotics is going up and up. They should forbid it, and they should have forbidden it 40 years ago. And for the Olympic athletes, it is forbidden to take antibiotics. And my friend had forecasted it, and if they use still antibiotics for the food, then we need a higher doses. And there will come a time, and that I have forecasted, my friend, 40 years ago, when antibiotics will not work anymore or will harm only. They really, these greedy people, reducing the consumption of these items is vital for our overall health. So I cannot take antibiotics anymore. It's for me too strong. So I take a colloidal silver. That's good for me. Best food for stem cells: ginger root and turmeric, typically utilized in Thai cooking to help settle in digestion. Ginger is understood to combat inflammation by reducing polyunsaturated fatty acids. And the polyunsaturated fatty acids are in, think over, vegetable oils that can activate an inflammatory reaction. Oh, the polyunsaturated fatty acid can activate inflammatory reaction even worse. Okay, think it over. Mushrooms high in micronutrients known as polyphenols. These nutrients are stem cells enhancers and can be found in plant-based diets. They protect and cleanse liver cells from harmful contaminations that can break down hormones in the body. And the harmful contaminants are from meat and fish and poultry, mainly. Seeds and nuts. Excellent snacks filled with protein and beneficial fats that keep you feeling full longer and assist in eliminating any cravings. Seeds consist of anti-inflammatory plants steroids, while nuts are filled with alpha-linoleic acid, a type of inflammatory combating omega-3 fat. Flax seeds is for omega-3 fat. So it's easier to reduce the nuts because they have too much calories, but flax seeds to eat is, I think, a must for the omega-3 fat. Cruciferous veggies, this means cauliflower, broccoli, kale, cabbage, bok choy, garden cress, Brussels sprouts are some of the best foods for stem cell growth. These veggies have lots of sulforaphane compound, which boost enzymes in the liver that combat harmful contaminants we may digest or take it. And this is again from where, what is the harmful contaminant? From meat, poultry and fish. These green leafy veggies are likewise packed with indole-3 carbinol particles that help reduce inflammatory agents in the bloodstream. Berries: blackberries, goji berries, pomegranate, blueberries, raspberries all contain superoxide dismutase or SUD, a powerful antioxidant. This enzyme has incredible inflammation-reducing flavonoids and is excellent for lowering oxidative associative stress, which is an essential consideration for optimum liver health and helps avoid joint pain. So the liver function is also for cleaning our blood, and all the fatty stuffs are filtered out of the blood with the liver. And for the kidneys, all the water solutions and are filtered out from the kidneys. A short list: dark cacao powder. Drink it as a cacao, put some honey in it, perfect. Green tea, green beans, all green. Ginger, turmeric, greens, again greens. Kale, spinach, all greens. Also think over green things. Mushrooms, okay. Blueberries. Then walnuts is the best nuts for stem cells, and flax seeds is a must. Then purple potatoes and mangoes. Thank you that I could speak about this, and bye.